If the car sat for a few days, you may feel that the brake pedal is a little bit hard to depress, because you need to depress the pedal in order to start the engine. So if you press the pedal and you feel like the engine doesn't want to start, just press harder on the pedal, on the brake pedal. Press with more force, because like I said, after the car sitting there, the pedal gets harder and the engine should start nicely at that point. Okay, so you really need to press with more force on the pedal, especially when the car sits for a few days. Just watching.